Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my another video. So it's me Mahmoud. So now I'm making videos with my lovely cute boy. Okay, so how are you?
How are you?
Jure bola, how are you?
How are you?
Bola, I am fine.
I am fine.
Bola edike. Bola, I am fine.
I am fine.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is Akhan.
My name is Ayman.
Ayman. Okay, so where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Shantishpur. Bola,
I am from Shantishpur.
I am from?
India. India.
You are from India?
India.
Not. We are from
India.
Bangladesh.
India.
No, don't understand India. We are from Bangladesh. Okay. So, do you want to learn English? Bolo. Acha aage bolo. Do you want to learn English? Do you want to learn English? Yes. Yes. Okay. So,
Okay, so
good morning.
good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I am Akhan.
I am Ahan.
Durable. I am Akhan. I am from Shantishpur.
I am sorry.
I read in class KG. Coach, bolo. Bolo na. Hello. Edike. I read in class KG. Bolo. KG te poro.
Nah.
Shishu sini.
S22 Ultra.